Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Do you want to know my name? My name is Rajalakshmi Acharya. Okay? Children, let me tell you one thing. You all love to listen to a story. Yes or no? Yes. So guess what? Today I will tell you all a very good story. Do you all want to listen to it? Yes. I will show you some pictures also. Okay? Very good. Okay. Let's start the story then. Children, long ago in a village there was a big neem tree. Right? There is a big neem tree. You can see a tree behind me. It is a plant. It is not a tree. So there was a big tree. Very big. Okay? And there was a crow who was living in that tree. Can you see the crow here? Yes. The crow was living in a tree in a nest. Where does the crow stay? The crow lives in a nest. So crow was living in a nest. And in that big tree, there was a big hollow in the trunk. Okay, it is the hollow. It's like a hole in the trunk of the tree. Here, there was living a rabbit. Now, the crow is living in the branches of a tree and the rabbit is living in the hollow. Right? There was a very bad fox also living in that village. Okay? Very bad fox. The fox wanted to eat the rabbit. Okay? So, one day the fox came near to the big tree. Okay? The crow saw that. Oh my God, why this fox is coming here? Then the crow told to the rabbit. Rabbit was crow's friend. So the crow told to rabbit, "Dear rabbit, there was a fox coming. Be very careful. Do not come out." Okay. So the rabbit became very careful. The rabbit did not come out from the hollow of the tree. Okay. But the fox was very clever. The fox wanted to eat the rabbit. Then the fox thought, I will wait here. I will not go. I will wait outside of the tree, and tomorrow morning when the rabbit will go to get his food, okay, it means some grains and all, when the rabbit will come out from the hole to get the food, that time I will catch the rabbit and eat. Okay? The crow also is a very clever bird, children. What did the crow do now? The crow understood. The rabbit could not see the fox, right? But the crow could see from the tree. The crow could completely understand the fox wants to eat my friend. So what he did, in the next morning, he shouted, okay, he cried, "Ka, ka, ka," he cried. So when a crow cries like this, children, many crows come together. So many crows from everywhere came to this crow. What happened? Why are you crying? Why did you call us? They told the crow. The crow told everything. You know, dear crows, there is a very bad fox sitting near the tree, sitting under the tree, and the crow wants to eat my friend. That's why I called you. Then all crows become very angry and they all attacked on the fox. Can you see in the picture? How did they all attack on the fox? They all attacked on the fox and the fox got very scared. Okay, and the fox started running. Okay, because he was very scared, he started running, but the crows also followed them. So the fox ran away very far. Now he cannot eat the rabbit. What do you think, children? The rabbit is safe now, right? Who saved the rabbit? The crow, the rabbit's friend, right? So what do you understand from this? We should always help our friends. We should always be with our friends. A friend in need is a friend indeed. Will you all do that? Will you all always help your friends? Yes, very good. So I hope, children, you all like the video, the story. Okay. Sometime again we will listen to a story. Bye bye.